Transform any text into incredibly lifelike audio with Elevenlabs, and in this quick guide, we'll show you exactly how it's done. First things first, head over to the Elevenlabs website if you're new here. You'll want to sign up for an account, don't worry. They offer a generous free tier to get you started. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the Elevenlabs platform, which is designed to be super intuitive. Our main area of focus is the Speech Synthesis tab. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a large text box. Simply paste or type the text you want to convert into speech right here. Now, let's give your audio some personality. On the right-hand side, you'll find a voice selection. Elevenlabs offers a fantastic library of pre-made AI voices, each with its own unique tone and character. Browse through them and click on a voice to hear a quick sample. Once you've chosen your perfect voice, it's time to bring your text to life. Just hit that Generate button. In moments, Elevenlabs will process your text and present you with your audio output. You can then listen to a preview of your generated speech. If you're happy with the result, you'll see a download button. Click this to save your audio file in a common format like MP3, ready to be used in your projects. Whether you're creating engaging voiceovers for videos, building accessibility features for your content, or experimenting with AI-driven narration, Elevenlabs makes it remarkably easy to convert text into realistic speech. Give it a try and discover the power of AI-powered audio.